Okay, I've already tested range with the 3 modules. Now I want to do a latency test, because sometimes you get more latency with other modules, but sometimes it's the channels too. So I'm gonna have to try different channels as well. But I know that the channel that I'm flying with right now, my VTX, I haven't had any issues with my flying as far as latency with the Fat Shark diversity module. So I'm gonna fly both modules on the same channel and see if my flying is better or worse. And if it's worse on the TrueD module, if I fly worse with the TrueD module, I'm gonna assume that there's a latency issue. Like if I'm recovering more, if I'm doing, I'm not a pro, but I know that if I get to where I'm nailing my flips and my rolls more on the Fat Shark diversity module, and then I go and I switch to the TrueD and I'm like recovering more and having issues with trying to nail a flip and a roll, then I'm going to assume that it's a module because it's the same quad. Here I am at the park, Sierra Meadows. Now I just got to test the modules. I'm hoping that with my camera, it's at 30 degrees. That's about 30, I think. I could be wrong. But that's, I should fly pretty good like that. I should fly pretty good like that. And here is my Fat Shark module that I'm going to try out first, which is the one I usually fly with. And this is my TrueD module, which just pop off, stick off to the side, stick this one in. I'm going to record these flights and then analyze the flights to see if I fly worse or better. Like I said, I'm not a pro or nothing, but I should be able to tell the difference. See, I'm nailing them right now. I'm nailing my flips and my rolls. I'm not having to recover a lot. Got water on my lids. I felt pretty good about that. Like, I felt solid, even though I was kind of missing it, but I didn't feel like I was trying to. So that was that one. So I can go ahead and stop that video. And this one will be the other module. Turning this one on. It's going to pick it. Now I have it on race band, so race band should be even the better one, which the diversity module has race band, so there shouldn't be any latency at all. Okay. The dog senses something. He started barking at me when I turned on my module. He heard something. Okay, so here we go.
Telemetry lost.
Here we go. I'm seeing more lines. I don't know why. To me, the race band, the reception's worse. But, because I'm getting some weird lines. But there's no latency. I'm not noticing any latency yet. So I'm gonna say that there's no lag, but I'm gonna say I notice more interference. Something is interfering with the video because I'm getting like, it's kind of like, if you're in the house and you have one of those old TVs and somebody's running the blender or something, you know. Oh my. I was worried there was going to be a latency issue, but when you have, like, things, more interference, like you see more interference, it tends to affect your concentration when you're flying, and it may come off as you're flying worse. But I like it because it has all the, you know, the other stuff on it. But maybe it's just that channel, I don't know. Alright, so I flew both the Fat Shark Diversity module and the Trudy, and I can't notice any latency. I just feel more comfortable with the Fat Shark module, and it's probably because it just seems like I was getting better reception at that spot where I was flying. I seem to be getting some kind of interference with the Trudy module, even though they're on the same channel. The interference is distracting. All in all, I would say that the Trudy, though, performs pretty, I would say it performs excellent. The line's being distracting.